Hello. All right. Well, it's still July 4th, and I am back from the gym. I've been back from the gym for a while, actually. After the gym, I did go for a tan again. I did the week free tanning at this place, and then they had a Groupon for another week of tanning. So since we're going away in a couple weeks and haven't really been able to lay by the pool, I did go tanning again. I'm getting a little bit of color. I grabbed a coffee and then I came home and I actually cleaned. Which, feels so good now. I can push the vacuum, no problem. I'm able to bend a little, as long as you don't break those precautions. So I'm able to bend, and I dusted and vacuumed and cleaned the bathroom and did all that kind of stuff. And I've got a conference actually on Monday, so I'm trying to get packing because kind of an extended vacation after the conference that I'll tell you more about. So I'm eating lunch now, and I thought I would share that with you as well. Well, it's actually breakfast / lunch. My first meal of today is 12:51. Sorry. It's delicious. I've got my kimchi because I love my kimchi. I did not weigh out the kimchi. I try to weigh everything out. I'm trying to be a little bit accountable, get myself, I do have a weight goal that I'm kind of working towards, so I'm trying to just, make sure I'm accountable. But I have 2 ounces of pork chop, 3 ounces of delicious sausage. Sausage is like my weakness. I love it. And then I make these delicious, like, skillet braised green beans with bacon and garlic and onion, and then I put Parmesan cheese on them, and they are delicious. And then I have like tiny bit of avocado as well. So that's what I'm eating right now. It's delicious. So good. Okay. So, the new gym was pretty successful. I don't know if I'm ready to commit yet. They have like this free extravaganza, so actually it works out perfectly because I can use it free until Sunday, and then I'm leaving town on Monday for like 2 weeks. So I think I'm just not going to commit yet. I'm just going to do the free thing until Sunday, and then I bet you another like special will come up to join. So, but I did just want to report in, what's today? Thursday, July 4th. So what am I, 6 weeks post-surgery now, right? Let me double check that. I think so. Golly, time flies, hey? Let's see. I had my surgery May 23rd. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 6 weeks post-surgery. And I really noticed an improvement like the past week, I guess. I'm really glad I went home, had a little bit of time to relax. I needed like to escape just a little bit. I think my recovery was just getting to me, and I was just not in a good mind space. I was trying to work, and just not really focusing on recovery. So going home was really good. And then at the gym today, so what I did was I did 20 minutes on the treadmill, just walking, but I switched between a 10% incline and a 15% incline. I actually got quite a bit of a sweat going on that, so that was good. And then I went to the Smith machine, and I did something a little bit different. I did 50 pounds. I tried 40 to start, and that was really, really light. And then I couldn't find the extra 2.5. I was going to just do 45, but so I did 50 pounds. I did 10 reps, and I just did 5 sets of that, like back to back, basically. Usually I don't. I do a lot of supersets. So I don't know, I thought I would just try that, so that felt pretty good. And then I did the butt blaster thing, like the kickback. The one at that gym was a little bit weird, and to be honest, like I never even used that machine until I had my surgery, but I do like it. After doing my bar class, you really like do a lot of squeezing and a lot of little movements, so I feel like that has helped me activate those muscles doing the butt blaster. So I did the butt blaster. I don't know if that's what it's called. The glute kickback, whatever. Anyway, 25 pounds, 10 reps, and then I did the hamstring curl machine, 40 pounds, 10 reps, and I supersetted that 3 times. And then I just went over and did some upper body. I did bicep curls, 20 pounds, 10 reps. I did have to go down to 15 reps or 15 pounds by the end. And I did rows, bent over rows. I can't bend over all the way, but most of the way. Did 25 pounds, 10 reps, and I supersetted that. And then I did the tricep rope extension, 50 pounds, and the assisted pull-up. And I did, like that one, I don't know if you're familiar with that machine, but like the lighter the weight, the more challenging it is, right? With the assisted pull-up, because you're using less assistance, the less weight you use. Yes, that's it. That one always confuses me. I used to be able to do regular pull-ups, not many, but anyway, I'm working on them. So I did the assisted ones. I used 70 pounds, which is actually a little bit better than I was doing before, but I just do 7 reps and I supersetted that. It took me a while to do all that. I think because it was at a new gym and, you know, you're trying to figure everything out, not sure where everything is. So that took me like a little over an hour today, but it was a good workout for sure. So I am excited to kind of get back into like split workouts. After my recovery last time, I just did a lot of like full body circuits, light weights, and just hit like a different body part. It didn't work anything too intensely, which is probably what I should still be doing. So, but I feel stronger. I feel ready to maybe work on lower body one day, upper body another, and add a little bit more weight. I know I have to be patient, but I felt really good yesterday, and I'm feeling a lot stronger, but that also gets dangerous. So word of warning, because once you start feeling better, you forget the precautions. And yesterday I noticed like getting out of the car a few times, I didn't swing. You have to kind of swing your whole body around so you're not like pulling your leg, and I forgot to do that a few times. So I have to be careful. So I am a bit worried because, you know, we're going on holiday. So I'm going to have to really remember my precautions. We're trying to think of a strategy for that. My husband said I need to tie like a ribbon around my wrist so I'll remember precautions. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll just write precautions like on my hand. He's like, well, why don't you just use the ribbon? So I'm like, yeah, the ribbon might be cooler than pen all over me. But yeah, so I don't know. I haven't decided fully if I'm going to join that gym. I just am excited. I had this revelation today. I mean, not really a revelation, but just a thought. While I was doing the hamstring curl, I felt more excited about working out. And like I said, I worked out all through the arthritis, like all through the pain. I did what I could, which actually I did quite a bit in retrospect when I'm looking at my workouts. Like, I mean, I was still pushing it. I was trying everything to figure out what moves wouldn't hurt me. Anyway, what I'm excited about though for this recovery is I don't have another surgery. I mean, I'm just going to get progressively better and progressively stronger. And that realization today was so motivating because the last time, like I was going to the gym and I was doing, but it was still at the back of my head where like, oh my gosh, I'm going to work so hard and then I still have to start over again. And I mean, I still did it, but I just I can feel that like desire. Like when I first kind of started working out, I remember the passion just to get stronger and better was there. And then it was just kind of like trying to figure out what didn't hurt me for the last couple years. So I'm excited. So anyway, yeah, that's my update. This is my keto lunch. I've really just been kind of eating 2 meals a day, sometimes 3. And it's just what I'm figuring out. Feeling stronger. I had a weight goal that I wanted to reach tomorrow, and I'm a pound away from it, and that's okay. You know, it's all right. My weight's kind of fluctuated this week. I'm just weighing myself, like I said, to hold myself accountable. But yesterday, I was like 2 pounds heavier than I was today, and I had to go to the doctor's yesterday, and I was a pound different there. So I don't know. I'm okay with it. I'm a pound away from my goal, and if I'm at my goal tomorrow, great, but if not, I'm just going to keep working on it. So that's my little update. And as for workout tomorrow, I don't know, I might go back to the gym and do something a little bit different, or I might do my walk and my bar class here. But anyway, that's all I have for you right now. Hope you have a great day.